Okay, we're on another beach. We're now on Cape San Blas. It's like right before you get to Port St. Joe. There's a peninsula that goes out on 30A. You drive out this peninsula to this Cape San Blas. Here we are. We're doing another beach walk with Ruby. Ruby likes the beach. She likes the water. She likes to walk in the water. Look at her. She likes to go in the water. She sees the birds too. Oh, there's a sandpiper, I think. Nice and wavy here. This is out, way out in the point. There's the homes. Beautiful homes, all new. They're all brand new. After the hurricane, you know, 2018, they rebuilt everything. Woo! That water's a little cold. Want that bird? Ruby, want that bird? Huh? There's the bird. Stay. Be good. Ruby. Walk nice. Uh-oh, there's a dog barking at us. Uh-oh, we got a neighbor. Got a barking dog. Very nice. Ruby likes this place. She likes the waves. Hi, Ruby. Good girl. Walking the surf. Cape San Blas. Wow, what a beautiful day. Man, another beautiful day. Okay, we'll show you some more later. Okay, we're at Stumphole Beach. I wonder why they call it Stumphole Beach. Ruby's here. We're walking the beach. The fog came in. It was nice and sunny out about 10 minutes ago. Now we got fog at Stumphole Beach. This is called Stumphole Beach. See all the stumps? And it looks like there might be some rain out that way. I don't know if it's going to come this way or not. We haven't seen rain in 10 days. Ruby's here. She's walking the beach. Stumphole Beach. There's Vicky over there. She's looking for shells. She wants to find shells with swirls on them. I don't know. She's trying to find all these rare shells. I don't know where you're going to find them. They all look the same to me. You find your shells? Got some swirlies? Yep. Let's see. Show it over here. Oh, yeah. Huh. A swirly shell. Huh. Well, we got fog coming in. It's getting cloudy. But, like I said, we hadn't had rain in 10 days. Or more. Over 10 days. Ruby likes it here. Huh. You gonna go look for shells? Huh? Rubes? Oh, look at that guy. Oh, Ruby wants to get him. Get him, Rube. Get him. Oh, he went in the hole. Get him, Rube. He's in that hole. Oh, boy. See that guy? I don't know if I got him on camera. He's in that little hole. Ruby wants to get him. Where is he? Huh. We saw, what is that, a sand crab? Pretty cool. More animals. Okay, see ya.